Greetings, Blake here, the drink chef and your personal bartender. And today, I'm at Sea Level Restaurant within the Shade Hotel in Redondo Beach. And today I want to show you a very simple cocktail using the Brizard Elderflower liqueur. This flavor, elderflower, is really coming up, becoming very popular. I want to show that to you today. We're also going to use the Sobieski vodka. All right, so I'm going to build this drink directly into the serving glass. Fill it up with ice. Okay, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of the Sobieski vodka. And then we're going to add a full ounce of the Brizard Elderflower liqueur on top of that. And we're going to top this with soda water right out of the gun. Okay, as I said, very simple. Okay, I'm going to garnish this with a lemon wedge and some edible flowers to go with the elderflower liqueur. Okay, we're going to pour those right on top. That looks really pretty, doesn't it? Okay, we're going to add a straw, and that is the Brizard Elderflower Spritzer. Cheers from the Drink Chef.